We are in 2026, an era defined by disposable tech designed to fail. You open a box, use the item for a season, and then you replace it. But then you encounter a piece of engineering that redefines expectations. This isn't just an appliance. This is the Smart Assistant Visible Air Fryer, a definitive professional standard, a true long-term value proposition. Consider its core engineering, the precise high-speed air circulation, and the clear viewing window. These are not merely features. This is a quiet standard, a hidden engine that shaves vital minutes off your prep. Imagine a hectic Monday morning. No more guessing if your meal is done. No more wasted energy or opening the drawer repeatedly. This professional-grade engineering delivers consistent results every single time, saving you perhaps 5 minutes of frustration you can never get back. This tool eliminates that small but insidious cost of failure from your busy schedule. The moment you unbox it, you feel the difference. Not hollow plastic, but a reassuring density, a tactile quality that speaks of true durability. There is zero flex in its chassis, a substantial heft that tells you this tool was built to endure. This is engineered to prevent the replacement cycle, to eliminate future errors. It is the joy of ownership, a solid instrument in a world of flimsy promises. This is a product review about investment, not expenditure. Now, there is one small professional compromise. The initial interface for its smart controls can feel, shall we say, particular. For the first few uses, you might consult the manual more than once to grasp its nuances. But in real-world workflow, after a couple of cycles, it becomes pure muscle memory, a minor gate to master for a lifetime of frictionless operation. It quickly becomes irrelevant. This isn't just a kitchen appliance, it's a strategic investment against time debt and professional friction. The 2026 update cycle has seen these units become incredibly sought after. Amazon prices on this professional-grade model are moving constantly, reflecting demand and limited stock. I put the link below, so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.